Alright, so I have my Azul coconut milk, which I got from my local dollar store for $1. I have these 3 little containers that I got, 3 in a pack at my local dollar store. As soon as I open my coconut milk can, I pour the coconut milk into these little containers. It makes it so easy to use. Next, I have fenugreek powder. I think it was like 90 cents an ounce at my local health store. Next, I have these cute little mason jars. I got it for like $1 and something from Michael's. And I have apple cider vinegar detox. I got this from Walmart. It's cinnamon, honey, and lemon. And just a little personal blender, $19.99 at Walmart. So I just got something cheap so that I can just use to mix my hair concoctions. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to pour about 1/2 cup of the coconut milk into the blender cup. And next we're going to take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You don't really need a lot of this because this stuff is potent. Alright. Next we're going to take our fenugreek powder, and I'm actually going to take 1 tablespoon of it and put it into the mixture. Stuff has a strong scent to it a little bit, but once you mix it, it's not that bad at all. Next, let's put our top on, and we are going to blend. Alright, and I just usually shake it all on the side just to try to get everything all together. Alright, so let's take it out, and sometimes the fenugreek powder is on the side of it, so I just take a spoon and kind of scrape it on the sides to put it back down in with all the other product that I have in my cup. Put the top back on it, and we're going to blend again. Alright, should be blended pretty good. And I just dropped it all over my hand. So now you see the creamy mixture. So we're going to take our mason jar. And I like to pour it in here because when I get in the shower, I can actually just lay it in the shower where I have the warm water going, and then it warms up the mixture. And I'm going to put the top back on it. And voila, you have your creamy CoWash coconut fenugreek conditioner. And just pop it in the fridge until you're ready to use.